Network. TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien coming to you live from TFNN, 3 p.m. Eastern time on Tuesday, final hour of the trading day, and quite a day we got going on, folks. We got the S&Ps right now, negative 2 points. You're talking about an area. We were down at 3804 just prior to 10 a.m. this morning. Chairman Powell releases his statement. He was in front of the Senate today. He'll be in front of the House tomorrow. We'll jump over to some of his quotes in a moment, but talk about an acceleration. We go from 3804, we're up more than 65 S&P points from that price point. We're now just negative by 3 points in the S&P, trading at 3870. NASDAQ 100, you want to see an acceleration. How about from 12,757? We're now approaching almost 400 points from the lows at 13,130. The Dow just climbing into the positive. Dow futures up 8 points at 31,472. You were down at 31,100 early this morning. And the Russell was down at 2168. You're talking about 55 points we have bounced in the Russell off the lows we had this morning. Jumping around to commodities, crude is up 23 cents at 61.93. We got the gold contract, pretty calm day in gold. All things considered, gold's I was going to say up. Gold is down $5 at 1803. Silver's down 46 cents at 2762. And notes and bonds right now, we get the 10-year. Positive by 3 ticks, trading at 135.13. We're looking at a yield in the 10-year of 1.36%. Remarkable when you think of where we were, whether it was August, sitting at basically just above 0.5%, 0.5% in that 10-year. We'll jump over to the volatility index, the VIX. Things look pretty dicey this morning. We reach a high at 2701, backing off quite a bit to 2344. As I mentioned, Chairman Powell, his comments released at 10 a.m. this morning talk about a bazooka under the market. Here's what he had to say. A few words. The economy is a long way from our employment and inflation goals, and it is likely to take some time for substantial further progress to be achieved. They're going to be in there buying bonds. They're going to be in there buying assets, $120 billion of assets per month. They're currently buying $80 billion in Treasury securities, $40 billion in mortgage-backed debt. And they have pledged to keep that pace until substantial further progress has been made towards its goal of maximum employment and 2% inflation. Talk about a bazooka in a big way. We got the S&Ps. We're at intraday highs right now at 3871. We got a treat, folks. We got Larry Pesavento. He's filling in next hour live, coming up right now. Stay tuned.